Hello, welcome to this RBC Mobile App tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the mortgage payment calculator on the RBC mobile application. So, once you open up the RBC app, go to the bottom right-hand side and press on More. Scroll down to Services, then Tools and Calculators. Press on that. Among the options, select Mortgage Payment Calculator. This will open a new page where you can use the simple mortgage payment calculator to type in the mortgage amount and calculate based on a 5-year fixed interest rate. You can also go to Advanced to adjust amortization periods, payment frequencies, and interest rates as needed, then calculate. Very simple, very straightforward. This is how to use the mortgage payment calculator on the RBC mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps. Mortgages depend on credit score, down payments, inflation trends, local housing markets, loan terms, interest rates, property taxes, insurance, economic factors, and repayment flexibility.